Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is April the 20th, and 2 days ago we planted these. We did this on camera, so if you want to see the previous video, you can check it out at the end of this video. There'll be a clickable link. You'll just touch the screen and it'll take you to that previous video. So just a little bit of background information. This is cabbage, and we started the germination process on April the 14th. And on the 18th, 2 days ago, we planted on video. So instead of coming back in a couple of weeks and showing you the plants, because these have started off really nicely, I wanted to get this on video just so that we have this locked in. So I'm just going to tilt this up a little bit so you can see this. One of them here is just almost ready to come out of the soil. This one here overnight has, but you can see these ones here. These ones actually came out yesterday, but here we have a pretty good success rate. I do have another one here. We had two that were slow starters. One of them is almost punched through right here, but looks pretty good. And I just wanted to come back with this really fast update video just to show you what they should look like, you know, within that range of time. So that's it, a really fast video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you wish. I really do appreciate that. And that's it for today, and I'll see you on the next one.